Want to unlock insane SSD performance gains on Windows 11? I'm about to show you how. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something exciting. How to dramatically enhance your Windows 11 25H2 SSD speeds by activating native NVMe driver support. While Microsoft officially rolled this out for Windows Server 2025, the community has discovered a method to enable it on Windows 11 25H2, both professional and home versions. Let's get into it. So what exactly are we talking about here? Traditional Windows systems use a SCSI-based storage stack to communicate with your NVMe drives. While this works, it wasn't built specifically for modern NVMe technology. Native NVMe, on the other hand, is a purpose-built driver that communicates directly with your SSD, no translation layers, no middleware, just pure, optimized performance. Let me break down the major advantages you'll experience. Number 1. Explosive IOPS improvements. With direct, multi-queue communication to your NVMe storage, you'll finally tap into the full potential of your hardware. We're talking about reaching the actual performance ceiling your SSD is capable of. Number 2. Significantly reduced latency. The old SCSI-based approach relies on shared locks and synchronization within the kernel I/O pathway to handle resources. Native NVMe creates optimized, lock-free I/O channels that drastically cut down response times for every single operation. Just look at these graphs from Microsoft. The IOPS gains on Windows Server 2025 compared to 2022 are absolutely incredible across 1, 8, and 16-threaded random read operations. Number 3. Better CPU utilization. A more efficient, streamlined stack means less CPU overhead dedicated to storage management, leaving more processing power available for your actual applications and workloads. Number 4. Prepared for tomorrow's technology. Native compatibility with cutting-edge NVMe features like multi-queue architecture and direct submission guarantees you're equipped for the next generation of storage innovations. The reduction in CPU cycles per I/O operation is substantial, especially under heavy multi-threaded workloads. Before we proceed, here's what you need to verify. First, you must have NVMe-compatible storage devices. Second, and this is crucial, your drives need to be using the Windows native NVMe driver, which is StorNVME.sys. Here's the thing. Some NVMe manufacturers supply their own proprietary drivers. If you're running a vendor-specific driver instead of the Windows in-box driver, you won't see any performance improvements. Alright, important notice here, Microsoft has not officially released native NVMe driver support for Pro and Home editions yet. This is essentially an early access method, therefore, I strongly recommend testing this on a non-critical machine first. Don't try this on your primary work computer without proper backups. You've been warned. Proceed at your own discretion. Now for the good stuff, let's activate this feature. Step 1. Right-click your Start button and launch PowerShell as administrator. Step 2. Execute the following commands in PowerShell. Step 3. Once the commands complete successfully, restart your system. Step 4. After rebooting, open Device Manager. Look for new iconography next to your NVMe devices. This confirms that native NVMe driver support is now active. You'll know everything worked correctly when you spot those updated icons in Device Manager. If you want to benchmark the difference, I recommend running some before and after tests with tools like Crystal Disk Mark or similar benchmarking utilities. The performance uplift should be immediately noticeable, especially in IOPS-heavy scenarios. And there you have it. You've just unlocked hidden performance potential in your Windows 11 system. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more Windows optimization tips and tech tutorials. Drop a comment below, letting me know your performance gains. I'd love to hear how much improvement you're seeing. Got questions? Leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.